Hi, my pretties. Don't mind my look. I'm in the middle of doing everything I can do for my hair, my face, everything. So we in a natural state right now. But anyway, enough about me. Why is nobody talking about Sensational and their full lace, bare lace units? Now, the bare lace unit, the lace was already lacing, but now they're going to give it to us with the whole lace where you can part it wherever you and you can do what and put two pony. Okay, now hold on. This is unit number one. So you know it's more coming. Now they're gonna have a in balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage light ash brown, beige blonde, mocha brown, of course a 1B, a number 2. I'm ready. But hold on. Look at that straight style. That is nice. Preferably, I probably would have went a little longer and uneven ends, but you can always make it work. Here's more. This right here is full lace unit 2. And this color that's shown is mocha brown. She's a nice curl. And she's going to be a full lace. So it's going to be 100% hand-tied lace wig, weft-free, track-free. As if Sensational already wasn't on it. Between them and Outre, the synthetic wig game has evolved. So they're going to come in your regular colors. And the colors I just stated before, the balayage chocolate, balayage gold, balayage light brown, and this beige blonde. That color right there, I think it looks good on all skin tones. I was scared at first when they sent me one, but it grows on you. You just got to know how to work it, and that's the persona of the night. So at the end of the day, y'all look out for the newest glueless collection coming from Sensational bare lace, full lace units. So next time, my pretties, bye.